Well, news from the northeast now. In just days ahead of assembly polls, cash and arms have been found on Nagaland Home Minister Imkong Imchen. The minister has been detained near Wokha district for allegedly carrying a cache of arms and ammunition and over 1 crore in cash in a vehicle. The Election Commission observers have arrived on the spot. Imchen was travelling from Kohima to his constituency, Koridanga, with security personnel conducting searches of vehicles near Wokha district found the arms and ammunition. Well, NDTV's Alok Pandey joins us for more on this story. Alok, embarrassment really for the Chief Minister, the Home Minister being detained, and arms, ammunition, as well as this huge amount of cash being recovered from him.
Well, yes, it's not the first time that this has happened. Just a few days ago, 1 crore rupees in cash was recovered from another candidate of the Nagaland People's Front. That was from a chopper. This time it is the Home Minister. He was travelling from Kohima to his constituency in the Mokokchung district when there was a search that was happening that was organized by the Assam Rifles and the Election Commission in a town called Wokha, and that is where this cash and ammunition was recovered. The Home Minister has been detained for questioning. He's being asked about the source of the funds and why he or his entourage was actually carrying arms when the seizure happened. And ultimately, it will be the Election Commission's decision whether they want to debar him from the polls or whether the minister can come up with some kind of credible explanation on why he was carrying so much cash. At the end of the day, this is reflective of the way elections are held in Nagaland. Many locals and insiders who know the process say that money power plays a big role here, but obviously, for the first time or for the second time in this election, you are getting actual proof of the kind of money that's perhaps playing its part in the elections.
All right, Alok, thanks so much for joining us there. So the second instance of cash being recovered, this time the Home Minister has been detained for questioning.